Woo! Wee, 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 wee! Hey, listen, I could spend all day making these videos and you could watch them all day long, which I don't recommend, and you probably wouldn't want to. But if you did, that might be fine too. You know why? Because there's things to do. We got kids, we got people, we got work, we got stuff. Find the little moments, little teeny little teeny moments. And don't forget your kiddos. Couple more weeks left of school, my people. Woo! And then the summer's gonna be much harder. It's hard with the kiddos, but we love them. It's like, love those little kids. Then you gotta calm down and be like, okay, I'm not gonna do that anymore because my kids are growing up. I think I'm gonna go on a nature walk. Nature walk. Nature beats.